Hello friends, in this video we will learn the types of adverb clauses with examples and exercise at the end. So let's get started. Let's quickly remember what we learned in our previous video on adverb clause. We understood what is an adverb clause. An adverb clause is made of two words, adverb plus clause, and acts as an adverb in the sentence. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb in the sentence. For example, Anurup cooks very awesome food before he leaves for work. Here, very is an adverb as it describes the adjective awesome, and the entire group of words before he leaves for work is a clause, and as it describes the action cooks, it's an adverb clause. Please watch the entire video to revise the concept in case you missed it after this video. Links are in the description. Now, based on the way the adverb clause describes any action, it is divided into 9 types. Number 1, adverb clause of time. Number 2, adverb clause of place. Number 3, adverb clause of cause or reason. Number 4, adverb clause of purpose. Number 5, adverb clause of condition. Number 6, adverb clause of result. Number 7, adverb clause of contrast. Number 8, adverb clause of manner. And number 9, adverb clause of comparison. Let's look into each of them one at a time. Number 1, adverb clause of time. The adverb clause of time describes when an action or event occurred. The most common subordinating conjunctions by which this clause starts are before, after, till, until, when, whenever, since, while. Let's look into examples to understand them. Ankit had left my house before I reached. Here, before I reached describes when Ankit left. So, it's an adverb clause of time. Let's look into some more example of adverb clause of time. You cannot watch TV until you finish your homework. Here, until you finish your homework is an adverb clause of time. Alok was coming to the office whenever he wished. Here, the clause whenever he wished is an adverb clause of time. Let's look into the next type of clause. Number 2, adverb clause of place. The adverb clause of place describes where an action or event occurred. The most common subordinating conjunctions are where, wherever, everywhere, anywhere. Let's look into an example to understand it. I have put my books where I can find them again. Here, the clause where I can find them again describes where I have put my books. As it is denoting the place, it's an adverb clause of place. Some more examples of adverb clause of place are they can stay wherever they like. Here, wherever they like is an adverb clause of place. Popatlal brings his umbrella everywhere he goes. Here, the clause everywhere he goes is an adverb clause of place. Let's look into the next type of adverb clause. Number 3, adverb clause of cause or reason. The adverb clause of cause or reason describes the reason why an action or event occurred. The most common subordinating conjunctions are because, as, since, and so. Let's look into an example of it. As the lion was away, the deer enjoyed it. Here, the clause as the lion was away is describing why the deer enjoyed it. It was enjoyable because the lion was not there. So, the clause as the lion was away is an adverb clause of cause or reason. Some more examples of it are I admire Kohli because he is a great cricketer. Here, the clause because he is a great cricketer is an adverb clause of cause. The teacher punished the boy because he came late to school. Here, the clause because he came late to school is an adverb clause of cause. Let's look into the next type of adverb clause. Number 4, adverb clause of purpose. The adverb clause of purpose describes the purpose of doing an action or event. It answers what will be the benefit of doing it. The most common subordinating conjunctions are so that, lest, which means to avoid the risk of, in order that, in order to. For example, he works hard so that he may get the first rank in the class. Here, the clause so that he may get first rank in the class is describing the purpose of his working hard. So, it's an adverb clause of purpose. Some more examples of it are run fast lest you should miss the bus. Here, lest you should miss the bus is an adverb clause of purpose. Joy took a week off so that he could go to the party. Here, so that he could go to the party is an adverb clause of purpose. Let's look into the next type of adverb clause. Number 5, adverb clause of condition. The adverb clause of condition describes conditions in case action occurs and what will be its consequence. The most common subordinating conjunctions are if, unless, in case. For example, if he works hard, he will pass with flying colors. Here, if he works hard is describing a condition for him to pass with flying colors. So, it's an adverb clause of condition. Some more examples of it could be, if it rains, I will take a leave today. Here, if it rains is the adverb clause of the condition. Unless you finish your homework, you will be punished. Here, unless you finish your homework is the adverb clause of condition. Let's look into the next type of adverb clause. Number 6, adverb clause of result. The adverb clause of result describes the outcome or result of a particular action or thing. The most common subordinating conjunctions are that, so plus adjective plus that, and so that. For example, he is so tired that he cannot walk. Here, as he is so tired, the clause that he cannot walk shows the result. So, it's an adverb clause of result. Some more examples of it could be, he is such a good man that all respect him. Here, that all respect him is an adverb clause of result. He was hit so hard in the chest that he died. Here, that he died is an adverb clause of result. Let's look into the next type of adverb clause. Number 7, adverb clause of contrast or concession. The adverb clause of contrast describes two contrasting actions in the sentence. The most common subordinating conjunctions are though, although, while, even though. For example, though he is poor, he is happy. Here, even though he is poor, still he is happy and not crying about his condition. So, though he is poor is an adverb clause of contrast. Some more example could be, while he likes cats, he does not allow them to enter his house. Here, while he likes cat is an adverb clause of contrast or concession. Although I love pizza, I rarely eat it. Here, although I love pizza is an adverb clause of contrast or concession. Let's look into the next type of adverb clause. Number 8, adverb clause of manner. The adverb clause of manner describes how exactly is particular action performed or the behavior of a particular action. The most common subordinating conjunctions are as if, as, and like. For example, he walks as if he were a king. Here, the clause as if he were a king is describing the manner in which he walks. So, as if he were a king is an adverb clause of manner. Some more examples of it could be, you should complete this work as you are told. Here, as you are told is an adverb clause of manner. They were roaming in the park as if no one was there. Here, as if no one was there is an adverb clause of manner. Now, let's look into the last type of adverb clause. Number 9, adverb clause of comparison. The adverb clause of comparison describes the comparison between two actions in a sentence. The most common subordinating conjunctions are as, so as, than. For example, he can do it better than she can. Here, than she can is describing the comparison between her work and his work. So, than she can is an adverb clause of comparison. Some more examples of it could be, he is as intelligent as his sister is. Here, as his sister is an adverb clause of comparison. He is as stupid as he is lazy. Here, as he is lazy is an adverb clause of comparison. So finally, we have learned the 9 types of adverb clauses. Now, let me give you an exercise. Here, you need to identify the type of adverb clause from the 9 adverb clause that we have learned today. The sentences are, Ankit came home before his wife arrived. If it rains, we will stay at home. He is not as clever as you think. Pause the video, solve the exercise and message me the answers in the comment. I will be waiting for it. I hope you would have given the correct answers. To know the correct answers, please check the description of the video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. First, we learned what is an adverb clause. An adverb clause is made of 2 words, adverb plus clause, and acts as an adverb in the sentence. Then, we looked into 9 different types of adverb clause along with the examples and common subordinating conjunctions they start with. The clauses are: number 1, adverb clause of time. Number 2, adverb clause of place. Number 3, adverb clause of cause or reason. Number 4, adverb clause of purpose. Number 5, adverb clause of condition. Number 6, adverb clause of result. Number 7, adverb clause of contrast or concession. Number 8, adverb clause of manner. And number 9, adverb clause of comparison. Finally, I gave you an exercise whose answers you will be giving me in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Links to all the videos related to this topic is given in the description. Like, share, comment and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. All the best for your upcoming exams. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.